First, let's skewer our shrimp. Let's season the shrimp. Salt, Old Bay seasoning, lemon juice. Grill until cooked. It only takes 17 minutes to bake or air fry your tater tots. For our cocktail sauce, we have our crushed tomatoes, horseradish, chili ketchup, sugar, salt, olive oil, lemon juice, and chopped cilantro. US frozen potatoes are quick frozen to lock in the freshness of fresh potatoes. Seafood and potatoes is the best combination. Try this shrimp skewer with US potato tater tots cocktail for your next gathering.